Welcome back to the second part of our journey in crafting this fantastic looking bar chart. Let's dive back in. Next, to make it look more like a cylindrical bar chart, right click on any bar chart, go Format Data Series. In here, gap width we're gonna assign to 40% and select cylinder and close this. You can see it looks a bit comical right now. To make it more realistic, right click on any bar chart again, 3D rotation from the context menu, and your X rotation you're gonna put 0 degrees and hit enter. Next, we'll be reorganizing our stack chart. Select your bar chart here, chart design, select data, and in here you'll be reorganizing in such that down end is at the top, band 1, band 2, production, transparent, band 2, band 1, and up end like this. Once that's done, click on OK. Now to make the transparent bar, right click on the orange bar, Format Data Series, Lines and Fill, Solid Fill. In here, you're going to change transparency to 80% and close this. Oh boy, it seems like we ran out of YouTube's short time. We'll have to continue in the concluding story in part 3. Stay tuned.